The Chevy Big Block 396 is one of the most legendary engines ever built in American muscle car history. Introduced in the late 1960s, this powerhouse quickly became famous for its brutal torque, unmistakable sound, and raw performance. At its heart, the 396 cubic inch V8, that's about 6.5 liters, was designed to dominate both the streets and the drag strip. Depending on the factory or performance setup, the engine produces between 375 and 425 horsepower, along with an impressive 410 to 425 pound-feet of torque. This massive torque delivery gives the 396 its signature neck-snapping acceleration. When installed in classic muscle cars like the Chevelle SS, Camaro, or Impala, the Chevy 396 can push the car from 0 to 100 km/h in roughly 5.5 seconds, which was extremely fast for its time and still feels powerful today. Fuel efficiency was never the goal here. The Chevy 396 typically delivers around 10 to 12 miles per gallon, but that's the price you pay for true big block muscle. Every drop of fuel turns into pure mechanical force. One of the biggest highlights of the 396 is its sound. The deep, aggressive V8 rumble is instantly recognizable. Loud, thunderous, and intimidating. It doesn't just sound fast, it feels fast. The engine runs surprisingly smooth at cruising speeds, yet becomes ferocious the moment you step on the throttle. Overall, the Chevy Big Block 396 is more than just an engine. It represents an era when American muscle was all about power, attitude, and dominance. Even decades later, this engine remains a favorite among collectors, restorers, and true car enthusiasts.